So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking the steps that you need to take to buy a phone right from scratch on Amazon. Now presently the Great Indian Festival is going on. There are great offers. I want to buy the M31s. Already made a tutorial on how you exchange a phone to exchange M30s, and let's look at the steps. First you log into account on Amazon, search for the device that you want to buy, and then like select the specifications that you need. So I want to buy the 8 GB RAM and I want to have like the Midas black color. So there is blue, black, both colors. So I want to buy the black one, and I can see that this is costing otherwise 20,499, but I want to buy it with exchange. So I want to exchange my Samsung M30s. So I will be selecting Samsung here, and then I will be putting in my M30s thing. I will be going, and yeah, there you go. So I need to put in the IMEI number, for which I need to dial *#06#. I made a tutorial on this. So on the phone that you want to exchange, just dial this from the keypad and you will be getting your IMEI number. I put in that, I click on verify, and then I come to the next page. So this is private, so I'll just kind of pause this. So put in the IMEI and stuff like that. So we have exchange offer of 5,700 and just now have to pay 14,899 for this giant of a device. So now I click on buy now with exchange. And basically then I obviously have to just put in my address and then select from my cards for payment. So I'm selecting from my cards. So I'm selecting here my card HDFC. Again, private confidential. I'll pay it and then click on next. So already paid. I will click on continue now. Since I'm using HDFC, I get a further bank discount of almost 1,500. So I can now place my order and pay. So I will get a OTP and then we can proceed. So the OTP is 519049. This one can be used for one time. And that should be it. So these are the steps that you need to take to buy a device. So hopefully like you now understand, in case you have some special phones on Amazon, you can go ahead and follow the same steps. So find particularly first the device that you want to buy, and then go ahead and exchange. In case you don't want to exchange, you can go ahead and click on purchase and use any of the payment methods to buy on Amazon. If you have any questions or queries regarding the devices that you buy on Amazon, please let us know in the comment section. We should be happy to help. And just so that you know, you can always check your orders here in returns and orders, and you can see like this one, like which we are buying, is reflecting here. And you can always track this, you can cancel it before it's shipped. So you can do all those things. So that should be it. I hope this helps, and in case it's helpful, kindly consider subscribing. Click on the bell icon for notifications. I will be catching you in the next one. Thank you.